Hi everybody, Jackhammer here, and welcome to this TLC match. It's Jackhammer versus Leeds 2023. It's gonna be a banger of a match. Leeds is going for the people's elbow, connects. He hits the people's elbow on Jackhammer. Jackhammer reverses it. The nation of DDT drops Leeds. Leeds is in the Jackhammer's outside the ring now. Picks up the ladder. Puts the ladder into the ring. Oh, what a springboard screwed. What a moonsault. Oh, Jackhammer now climbs back into the ring. Oh, clothesline by Leeds 2023. This is Jackhammer now. Oh, drops him like a sack of potatoes. Oh, kicks him in the stomach. Punches him again. Reversal. Jackhammer now picks up the ladder. Sets it up. He starts climbing. He's reaching for the gold. One notch. Oh, Leeds is punching Jesse right in the stomach. Oh, Jackhammer now reverses it. Leeds punches back. He's got him in a chokehold. Oh, Jackhammer is still on top of the ladder. Leeds is down. Leeds gets back up. He's climbing back up the ladder. Jackhammer still has his hands on his gold, on the title. But Leeds is down again. Leeds is down. Can Leeds get back up? Leeds is back up. Here's your winner. And still the Universal Champion, Jackhammer. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.